from Hyderabad. I've been suffering with complex fistula for the last 4 years, I guess now. Now, Dr. Ashwin Porwal, he treated me personally, and it was a really good experience. I've been suffering like hell all these years. Now, today, Dr. Ashwin Porwal told me that I'm completely healed of this fistula, and I'm very happy hearing this thing because I couldn't do anything because of this fistula. I couldn't do my daily works also. Now I'm really thankful for Dr. Ashwin Porwal as well as staff and everything here in Pune. They are really good. Everything is well organized. Even they take care of everything from the stay till the end. Till the end. I mean, when we are getting discharged, everything is taken care. Everything is top notch. I cannot say anything more, but this is the best hospital I have been to, and I'll recommend everyone who are suffering from fistula to come to this hospital and get treated by Dr. Ashwin Porwal. Thank you so much.